Hey, uh, what's up, world? This is my first tattoo right here. Uh, it's a scorpion. This is my first one. You know what I'm saying? It didn't really hurt that bad. You know what I'm saying? It was hurting at first, but it's fine. So I like it. Everybody like it. So I hope y'all like it. I'm gonna have me some more. So what I'm saying? I'm gonna have them online. So you know what I'm saying? Peace.